stop scrolling. Because if you're still depending on one paycheck or one hustle, you're playing yourself. The internet is evolving so fast that there are brand new ways to earn money online in 2025 that most people don't even know exist yet. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 powerful ways you can start stacking digital income right now, even if you've got no audience, no products, and no camera. And stick around, because at the end, I'm going to show you how I create content with my AI twin. Yep, a digital version of me that works while I sleep. Let's get into it. Quick intro, I'm Taiki, and I've built multiple digital income streams using AI and automation. The reason I'm obsessed with this? Because I hated wasting hours trying to film content, edit videos, and chase clients. Then I discovered AI automation, tools like HeyGen, 11 Labs, and OpenArt, and realized I could literally scale an online business without showing up on camera every day. And today, I'm giving you the blueprint. By the time this video ends, you'll know 5 online money plays that you can literally start this week. Let's start with number 1. Number 1 is YouTube automation with AI. This is one of the biggest passive income plays right now. Here's how it works. Instead of filming yourself, you build faceless YouTube channels around high-demand topics: finance, motivation, relationships, lifestyle hacks, even AI tutorials. You use AI tools like HeyGen to create avatars and 11 Labs for hyper-realistic voiceovers. Then you layer stock footage, animations, and captions, and suddenly you've got a professional video without ever touching a camera. Monetization comes from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. And the best part? Once a video is up, it keeps working for you. Imagine waking up to notifications that your faceless video just pulled in 20,000 views overnight. Stick around, because later I'm going to show you how my AI twin does this for me step by step. Number 2, digital products and PLR. Everyone's talking about digital products, ebooks, guides, templates. The problem? Most people never create them because they think it's too hard. But here's the secret: PLR, or private label rights. You can literally buy ready-made products, rebrand them with your own style, and sell them as your own. With AI, you can customize covers, rewrite sections, or upgrade designs so they feel 100% original. Imagine having a Canva template pack, an ebook on productivity, or a meal planning guide that you upload to Etsy or Gumroad. Once it's live, it sells while you sleep. One product can sell thousands of times. That's true digital leverage. Number 3 is AI-powered freelancing. Here's the truth. You don't need years of experience to start freelancing anymore. AI tools have completely leveled the playing field. Think about it. Need to write 10 product descriptions? ChatGPT does it. Need a logo or digital art? Midjourney or OpenArt creates it. Need a faceless TikTok edit? CapCut plus templates have you covered. People are selling these services every single day on Fiverr, Upwork, and even Instagram DMs. You can literally position yourself as a creative agency powered by AI. Clients don't care how you made it. They care that it solves their problem. And yes, you can charge $50, $100, or $500 for work that might take you 20 minutes. Number 4 is affiliate marketing, but with a twist. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and getting paid a commission every time it sells. Normally, the hardest part is creating content consistently to drive traffic, but now, AI makes that easy. You can use your AI twin to film endless videos, generate captions, or even write entire blogs. Imagine having 50 short videos promoting a product, all created in a single afternoon with automation. Once they're out, they live forever, driving clicks and sales to your affiliate links. I know people personally stacking $2,000 to $10,000 months just by letting their AI-generated content promote affiliate products around the clock. Passive income at its best. And finally, number 5, community and subscription models. This is one of the most powerful ways to build recurring income. Instead of selling one-off products, you create a membership or community where people pay monthly. Think of it like a Netflix for your niche. It could be a coaching group, a course community, or even a private drop club for resources. This is exactly why I built the AI Baddie Club, a space where I drop new lessons, tools, and strategies like my AI Twin module. When you combine AI automation with a subscription model, you're not just making sales, You're building income that repeats every single month. Now, I promised to show you my AI twin in action, and here it is. This version of me was created with HeyGen for visuals and 11 Labs for voice. It allows me to produce content like this video, tutorials, and even faceless shorts without ever hitting record. Think about what that means. You can be in two places at once. You can have your AI twin teaching, selling, and creating content, while the real you is living your life. This is the future of online business, and the people who adopt it early, they're gonna win big. So here's the takeaway. There are brand new ways to earn money online, and AI is the cheat code to speed it all up. Don't just watch and take notes, take action. I built the AI Baddie Club for baddies like you who are ready to stop guessing and start building. Inside, you'll get done-for-you tools, community support, and step-by-step modules like the AI Twin training. The link is below. Doors are open right now, and the price won't stay this low. Your AI twin is waiting. Don't let her get ahead of you. Click the link, join us inside, and let's build your digital empire together.